Alrighty. What's up, guys? Hopefully everything's looking decent. Right in here. Heck yeah. Looking for an entry on silver here. While we wait for a lead to queue up. Oh. It's not a good issue, gotta get going. Figured it out though, so that's good. Wow, it's really running. What's up, what's up? Okay, we're gonna chill. They gave us a lot of trouble last time. Bessa always gives me trouble.
The Medadas do not forgive or forget.
This might be an opportunity for a pullback here. Let's take a look at it. Waiting first on the stochastic line through the cross. We just made 3 new highs here. Here, here, here. So I'm a little tentative. If we can cross past this line, I'll go again.
Nice to meet you. I'm hungry. I mean, Briar.
How's everyone doing tonight? Yeah? Hope everyone's vibing. It's just a little test stream. Don't really have anything planned except play some games. Hopefully get into a good trade here. I'd like to make some money tonight. Big gaps here. I'm pretty sure it's going to pop above. Contemplating getting in and riding the wave. Oh, there's that pullback. Okay, once this crosses, there will be a good time for us to enter. We gotta read champs like that, Zach.
The Medadas do not forgive or forget.
Hope the level streams don't forget. What's up, Precarious? I'm okay for now. I'm just doing a little test stream here, making sure everything works out good. Maybe another time, brother, for sure. I'll flip over to the big screen for trading if something significant happens. Need our parameters to be hit before we do any sort of trade.
hungry. I mean, Briar.
Hey, I'm happy to know the kick stream is working. It wasn't working a second ago. So I'm happy it's ripping. We just gotta check to see if X is working. I have a feeling that the streaming... Oh, it is working. Look at that. We are all good. Hey, I'm happy to know the kick stream. Good. Awesome, awesome.
Welcome to Summoner's Rift.
Let's see.
Broke that
Today
new hole.
I'm going to...
Minions has spawned.
Anthem, kill my enemies, and... Oh! Make a baby laugh.
Let's get some words going. I am very nervous to get into any trades.
Right! Is this the part where we break
So
legs?
we're just popping. Oops, I'm late here.
I am made for this! My teeth are bored.
Oh, he saw me. He ran away. Okay, good, good, excellent. So this is worded.
So much easier. Only size meal? For me?
I'll just take the bottom.
Has been slain.
Very cute. Could have used some more self-control. Like me!
Just my pathing is all messed up now.
One tap.
You're too preoccupied. Missed it.
You protect, I attack. Let's go again. Stomach's louder than my mouth. Last time I
Just sell them in order there. How is he
Not
behind? Wait, what? He's for sure taking
Scuttle right into my mouth.
No, it's okay.
With their own. Nice just on the outside. You two.
Walk away. Back
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain.
I might be a weapon. I feel I'll fight you and your kid.
wild. Take my top job,
Can anybody do this?
Six already. I just really can't win.
Of course!
Just doing the
Mouths
proxy war
water
thing right
because
now.
they're crying out food.
Proxy farming war.
Can I sneeze blood from a stone?
So rusty. He just took my red. Didn't clear everything though. That's kind
Ally has been slain.
kill Vigo here. What? Realize Garen backed. Yikes. It's on me.
That happened because I had too much
very bad
control? Or not enough?
Canceling this trade order. Our parameters are not met anymore. We need 6 is what we get. 6 after this. I don't know if this is the smartest. I think he's afraid to come in. I really... I was very risky. I can't get this. Let's just take that. Of course, he doesn't know I don't have smite.
Aw, my hair's fading
About
already?
2 seconds.
And I'm fresh out of bed. You protect
Gotta get there quick. It's right there. book it there. Should be able to beat them. Yeah, we're on the low end now. We're trading. Just gotta wait.
Noxus doesn't care if you're different.
It's not
Just that
safe
you're
trade
strong.
anymore.
And I'm strong.
Oh, do you think Timo's there?
Real
No, he's not. Garen might be. This one's going Why don't we just fight?
Oh, I did it! I failed the same way everyone else does. Averagely.
It's 3 levels up.
Hold still!
I just think Gwen. Probably the
I don't lose. Hungry! Always run! Huh.
Yikes. That's really not good though, right? That's what I should do.
Now that I think about it, fighters are honest, but it's the liars who start wars.
I wanted to call Timo. I think he gets away.
Dying really clears up the sinuses.
Okay. Get it?
Yes! Yes!
Fine.
If I can taste your moves, why can't I eat your moves? Let's go again!
Okay.
Is life the
sucks. Oh, it's mainly magic damage that I'm taking here. Actually.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
And still.
Shut down. An ally has been slain.
You can just really
Fight! Fight!
so I'm gonna start taking down my stuff. I think Karma. I'm trying to look at silver.
Today's mystery. Handshakes. Are they testing strength or
Your turret has been destroyed. An ally has been slain. Your turret has been destroyed.
To be totally honest.
So cute, I have to eat you. Gotta work on that posture, Harold.
Good.
Everyone's got a their own.
An ally has been slain.
Moving on four limbs was so
An enemy has been slain.
I'm just oblivious. Just take that tower.
Killing spree.
Just saw what it was. Especially with drag up. We did go up a bit. I'm gonna enter a
Order
small
filled.
position here. Keep an eye on it.
I once heard someone say they're having friends for dinner. And people say I'm hungry.
So the stop sell at 220, 220.
Of
show you guys.
Nature's more out of control than I am. Sure are.
Your team has destroyed a turret. Killing spree.
Principles of strength again.
Yikes.
When I cut loose, I feel, hear, and see everything. I can just be.
Enemy rampage.
It's okay.
Aw, my hair's bleeding already, and I'm fresh out of blood.
Oops. How you doing, buddy? Probably could do that. Definitely.
Free myself from control.
Okay. Uses ignite. That's pretty
Not
good.
polite to me. Have to be blood? Huh.
Oh, let's go back to the gaming here. A little bit, but it's okay. Oh, almost got that Vigo.
Now that I think about it, I know they're honest, but it's the liars that war.
Pretty slowly though.
When people talk about their first
Not
language,
super speed on it. If it stays.
Has been destroyed. An ally has been slain.
But Ash got it. That's cool. Oh, dragon for sure. That's okay. One dragon. Oh, we're I think it is going to go back up to that bar. Our stochastics are moving up. The 40 range stochastic is still, and the 60 are still on a downtrend, but our short term still or at least that's what I've been pretty confident. Not rush out of it and turn the stop loss up quite yet.
Ears have a nice mouthfeel. Very chewy.
I'm still going. Everywhere. Unfortunate. Trade's going well though. Trade's going up at 140. We can stop up now to break even, just slightly above break even.
Enemy killing spree. Your turret has been
Free
destroyed.
trade now. We can just hold it.
Ally has been slain. Your turret has been destroyed. Your inhibitor has been destroyed.
Not enough. Everyone's got a pillory of their own.
Sick.
Mine's just on the outside.
An enemy. An ally has been slain.
Wow, they actually
Killing's
stayed there.
different now. Like, dude, I can't follow.
I think we're good. I don't think we need to surrender here, boys. I saw that way too late. That's unfortunate. Push him away. Trades at 160.
I might be a weapon, but now only I wield myself.
I don't think they saw anyone. I think they're pretty safe here. Otherwise it might steal. Can't really have to help here. It's a 10. We almost hit our
Stomach's louder than my mouth.
target.
Enemy killing spree.
So why are we? What are we doing, you guys? Just give it up. It's fun.
Enemy. Shut down. Double kill.
Keeping us in it. Come back. I'll come back with
Defeat.
in the beginning. I should have just taken him. It's okay, we'll do one more. We're dialed in now. We are dialed in.
Order filled.
Oh, theater stopped. That's wild.
The Medadas do not forgive
Kind of saw that
or
coming.
forget.
Nice to meet you. I'm hungry. I need Briar.
Made a whopping $7 that trade. Really wanted to hit our goal. Our goal was around the 300 mark. We go alone. Oh, did I hit the wrong hit the shifty? G. There we go. How the regular markets are looking. Just me, or does it look exactly like silver? Kind of. Kind of in a uniform here. Difficult to read. Their team sucks. They smack. Did I bind these together, these two? How do I unbind them? There we go. The drawings can be replicated with the charts. I'm just wondering. Not linked. These ones are still linked. I'll figure it out. Put them down. Oh, so confused there. Okay, I guess we'll just stick on one chart here.
Remember, you can choose. You need to copy this
Welcome to
right away.
Summoner's Rift.
Can choose.
Minions have spawned.
You don't have to fight. You could just share your butt.
Come on, Lee. That was silly.
Food doesn't have to be blood? Huh.
here.
Moving
I
on
mistimed that.
Can I squeeze blood from a stone?
There's one.
Yeah.
Free situation. It's a big wave, but like.
First blood. Enemy has been slain.
I don't know, I kind of really didn't like that. It's a big wave. Let's make sure. What's she doing?
An ally has been slain.
My stomach's louder than my
Brace
mouth.
thyself.
Bro is so slow. Oh, there's no fun in there.
Did that happen because I had too much control? Or not enough? Eh.
Oh, I don't know if he should have taken that. Barcoding now on silver.
Yeah.
Enemy has been slain.
You protect science. Last time I did it well. Fun.
An enemy has been slain.
Feels like my talking. I never understand what he's doing. I know never.
Oh, it's a little late to be doing that. Yeah, I don't know about that.
Not choosing a choice.
Lee's gonna
No.
contest me here.
Yes. Yes.
Oh no, he's not.
You're so cute. I have to eat you.
Ward there, that was great. Guys, pick this up. Nothing. There's nothing up. Little move, but our stochastics are not giving us a trade.
Of course. Mouths
Could be running
water
this solo, I'll
because
have to
they're
check.
crying for food.
Delay my Gromp here. Let's check here.
More out of control than I am.
So trying to do the same thing. Oh, he took my raptors. Sick.
When I cut loose, I feel, hear, and see everything. I can just...
I would have hit jump
One
with
pad.
would have hit our property. But there's just too much risk. We're just 3-0 high, like I said, and we don't know if we're gonna go back down.
We fight. You're like Ready animals are salty. That mess.
That's what it is. Live and learn, right?
Oh, or sour.
Drag yet.
Has been slain.
Someone say they're having friends for dinner. And people say I'm hungry.
Oh, of course he took it already. Sucks. He's way ahead of me. I'm just in macro. Dude, this is fine. That was the latest
My
high of the day.
teeth are bored.
Like, just above that's the latest high of the day. Science all over the place.
You protect Ray. Ears have a nice mouthfeel.
Can we do
Very
something?
chewy.
I think we can.
Has been slain.
I think he's gonna die away. Dead as a doornail there.
When people talk about their first language, why isn't body language an option?
Not doing too bad.
Eating already? And I'm fresh out of blood.
Clear inwards.
I might be a weapon, but now I wield myself.
Just wait.
I am made for this.
That was too funny.
Now that I'm fighter.
What? How's he not?
Double kill.
Yep. Ooh, good job, Leona. Scary,
Your
scary
turret has
world.
been destroyed.
Scary world. I can't believe I fat
Your
fingered
turret
that. That
has
was
been
such a sweet
destroyed.
kill too. I just saw him ult and I pushed ult. While my mouse was nowhere near.
I can taste through my nose.
Just get that.
Why can't I eat through
I just go to his jungle. So I can take some of his XP for it. Right? Right, guys?
An enemy has been slain.
Everyone's got a pillory of their own. Mine's just on the outside.
It's good.
An enemy has been slain.
I don't lose control.
Has been slain.
So that was a good play.
Louder than my mouth.
We can fight him, yeah. If he wants.
Shut down.
It's actually
Now makes the rumbling.
gonna get Scuttle. Don't just want to sit here and wow, there's a lead here. Pretty good position here. Why he ran? He just ran top range. Yeah, we broke that line. Almost broke it.
Has destroyed a turret.
Breaks it. Opportunity to short it.
Not choosing a choice.
Stochastic, so I'll set up for it as well. I just don't want to lose early. Passes. Oh my god, this
Ally has been slain.
God, what should I do?
An enemy has been slain. Your turret has been destroyed. Rampage.
Not at all, man.
Feeling's different now. Like food I can't swallow. Sticky blood? Huh.
spot. Okay.
Ears have a nice mouthfeel. Very tasty.
It's okay. I'll try.
Not polite to nibble on food.
They're doing great.
Shut down.
Finally.
Your
Finally, I
team
can
has
get my time.
destroyed a turret.
Very excited. Christmas.
An enemy has been slain.
Just that you're strong.
Yeah, still love it. Why you don't, I still have to get this.
Here's eating already?
This is why you
I'm
don't
fresh
just
out of pod.
So bad. Thanks for the follow, Lena Jose. Appreciate you, man. I don't think I can see any comments on X through my platform. Let's see. No, I actually might be able to. I'm not entirely sure.
Wow.
Just a little
Diet
test stream.
really clears up the sinuses.
So I'm going to pull back a tiny bit. We'll see if this is it.
Why isn't body?
Order filled.
I don't lose control. Free myself from control. Now that I think
Your
about it,
turret has been
I guess
destroyed.
I'm honest, but it's the liars who start wars.
Godlike.
Everyone's got a pillory of their own. Mine's just on the outside.
Has destroyed a turret.
We're stuck around this line.
Can everybody do this?
Legendary.
It's really jiggling around. I don't know if I really like that.
I can taste it.
Short damage. Crossing that line. We'll give it an opportunity. There's a volume resistance zone.
Has been slain.
I'm not dead.
Could have used some more self-control. Like me!
Thank you so much. Put some top pressure. He comes at me here. There he is coming. Let me take it.
Not choosing a choice. No.
Skippity hop away. Aww. On the third 40 range. I'm getting out of here. I'm taking the fight. It's crossed on the 40 range. We don't have too much of a window here.
More out of control than I am.
Black Cleaver. So the 9 and the 14 have crossed for more. Just gonna sit here for a sec. More important now than what I'm doing in the game.
Of course!
Well, nobody's even have mid-tower. Plan?
Your turret has been destroyed. An enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Well, Baron's out. It's a good fight. Okay, so it did turn.
Ears have a nice mouth.
Pretty good opportunity.
Very chewy.
Good opportunity for it to break that volume. Where the buying and selling volume is right now. If we can break that, we'll probably get to the 100. Okay, we're sitting right
When
on that
people
volume.
talk about their first language, they isn't bad language.
Shut down.
Let's take this,
Destroyed a turret.
and get vision here. Okay, can we stay? Can we close below it? This is the question
An enemy has been slain.
for y'all.
Shut
Close.
down.
Reward there. Okay, it's looking nice. Could take a stop loss. Just above the loss. Above that. And a buy stop. Like $25. We're just doing
The
it.
enemy eyes. Hit them before they
Enemy has been slain.
Flying there. Nice little line.
I might go.
We're down 20. I think we'll take profit of this line.
My teeth are
Got a
full.
lot of downward side. Good.
Free
Bros.
myself. Go again.
Once again, I'm trading
Ooh, that was fun.
my money side.
My stomach.
Use someone else's money. Okay, that's a bullish reversal candle there if this closes like that.
People think way too hard about fighting.
5,000
Just
line.
play the strongest soldiers for the biggest enemy. Almost like
Back there. Very interesting.
Send me more.
Let's get a closer look on this volume profile here. So the profile's up there. We don't have a lot of resistance. But this is kind of a resistance zone volume profile in this time frame.
Your
The longer it
inhibitor
is.
has been destroyed.
I don't want to move my stop too close to these candles here, because then the trade's not going to have enough room to breathe.
An enemy has been slain.
I'm still dead in the game. Is there missing anything? We're right on that volume profile. If we can close below, we're
Feel the
good.
same way
We might-
everyone
we might
else
even break
does.
this and move
Average.
down here. We're gonna be a little greedy and take profit down there. I need to push top here. Okay, we're going back. Let's get locked in, guys.
Moving on forward.
I'll keep pushing top.
I
Nice
can
down
taste
there.
through my nose.
We might.
Now that
Shut down.
I'm fine here.
everyone's got
I'm
a
fine. I
Hillary
think I
of
can
their
take
own.
this tower.
Mine's just on the up.
Oh, we're gonna try and solve. He missed it, bro.
Your team has destroyed a turtle.
Right, that.
Yes!
No, he missed it. I was dead, I think, if he hits me with that. That's hilarious.
An
right?
enemy has been slain. Your team has destroyed an inhibitor.
Great.
Double kill.
I'm in the game if I keep on here.
Of course! Mouths water because you're flying for food!
Lol.
Destroyed an inhibitor. You have slain an enemy.
Killing's
I was gonna
different.
take this tower down. Trade sitting on that volume.
Has destroyed a turtle.
While I do this, first get that knock.
Nature's more out of
Can't wreck stuff. Do the trade. Oh, that's a good sign. Actually, a good sign.
A summoner has disconnected. Victory!
Went for a longer game. finish up the evening with a trade. I'm not gonna do any more gaming tonight. Wow.
Fuck you, fuck heaven, fuck hell, fuck joy, fuck sin, fuck everything else. I don't cope, I corrode, I implode, I decay. Smile stitched on while my sanity
Now,
drains.
with these two stochastics pulling upwards in our momentum, they're basically showing momentum. That's what they're doing. That's not ideal for this trade. We'll probably get stopped out. This one's curling up too. Oh wow, a huge resistance zone there. I'm gonna make note of that here. It was an instant reversal there. Let's look on the 5 minute. You got a clear downward trend on the 5 minute. We're looking to break this line right here, which we have kind of broken. If we can close under this, then we'll reverse and go to a downward pattern. If not, we are in a bullish pattern right now. It's kind of our trading zone on the 5 minute. This is what that looks like. 15, it kind of looks like it's barcoding, honestly. Like we're going a little bit higher, but it's not super strong looking picture. 60 minute, this is just sort of relaxation of that big buy volume for 2 hours. It's really huge. Okay, this could be a big moment. We did close under it, so let's hope that we're gonna keep going down. I hope it's just we broke the trend. So, and then on the 1 minute we also have. You gotta remember this yellow is on the 5 minute. This is the 1 minute. We'll change this to. I've got a lot of green on the screen. Let's change it to blue. So we do have a mini trend line here. So a warning sign on this candle chart, on the 1 minute one, is if this closes above this blue line, which is kind of the trend that look at that. And we're gonna have resistance here, but this honestly might pull right down to here, which is the first sort of acclimation zone. Because once we cross here, if we close under here, there's nothing. There's nothing to down there. And then there's nothing till down here. There's a big volume zone there. Volume profile zone there. We'll stop up just a tiny bit right above that pink line. So we're going to be looking at $150 profit if we stop out. We're at 290. I'd like to hit 500 too. Actually, let's go right above this volume profile zone. So we'll get an even 200. Like that. Like that a lot. Oh man, it's dark, eh? I need to get like a something bright on my screen. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, a little illumination. There we go. This is sitting a little bit high. Or maybe that's a little low now. I don't know. I don't really like this stand, but okay. We're gonna keep watching this. Meanwhile, we can look at economic news or data that's coming out. Nothing yet today. Get on to one of my news outlets here. Read you the morning news here on Futures Market. There's a nice breakdown. So I told you if we can break down past this sort of accumulation zone here, we'll go right down to there. Straight down. Oh, we gotta close below here. Gotta close below there. Okay, so the yen rises after Japanese PM Takaichi's election victory. The Japanese yen strengthened against other major currencies in the Asian session on Wednesday, following Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi's overwhelming election victory. And foreign inflows into Japanese stocks have raised demand for the Japanese yen. There's the full article here. We don't need to read the full article. I'm just going to read you the blurb, the short blurbs here. Turkey retail sales growth is the strongest in 7 months. Well, that's good. Turkey's retail sales growth accelerated in December to the highest level in 7 months. The volume of retail sales climbed 16.3% on a yearly basis in December, faster than the 14.9% rise in November. The annual sales growth in non-food products, except automotive fuel, quickened to 20.3% in December from 17%. That's good, so sales are picking up pretty aggressively. It's awesome. And one of the biggest points of news here, this was like about 3 hours ago here. See, we're kind of barcoding here. We're consolidating. And this will either flush straight down. This will either flush straight down here. Which we're close to the oversold mark down here. So we're kind of in no man's land. I call this no man's land in this middle section. On the 40 term, on the 40 range, we are way oversold. So buying is going to be looking to happen on a longer time frame. But these might be a little fake out. You see how we kind of have this little trend going this way, kind of like this, kind of like that. These are trends that you need to watch out for watch out for as well. Okay, China CPI inflation softens. That's good. Producer price deflation eases. China inflation softened in January due to the Lunar New Year holiday effect, while producer price deflation softened. Official data revealed Wednesday. Consumer price inflation weakened to 0.2% in January from 0.8% in December. The National Bureau of Statistics reported, and inflation was seen at 0.4%. On a monthly basis, consumer prices gained 0.2%. We keep bouncing off this volume area down here, and there's really not that much volume. So someone just has a bunch of buy orders set. Keep knocking this back. I think if we break here, it's gonna jump up to that bottom profile zone again. If it breaks this line, I'm out. I'm just gonna manually close the trade. Indian shares give up early gains in lackluster trade. Indian shares opened flat to slightly higher on Wednesday, tracking mixed cues from global markets and amid profit taking after 3 days of gains. Optimism surrounding an interim trade agreement with the United States. That seems like false hopes there. The Australian market doubles early gains in mid-market. Ooh, big bounce up there. I gotta watch this before I finish reading the article. If we hit that volume zone, we're done. We'll take 235. We'll take 235. Okay. The Australian stock market is doubling its early gains and mid-market moves on Wednesday, reversing the slight losses in the previous session, with the benchmark S&P ASX 200 moving to the near to the 9,000 mark, following the mixed cues from Wall Street overnight with gains in financial, energy, and mining stocks. Yeah, mining and energy are doing very, very well right now. And earlier in the day, Asian stock markets are trading mostly higher on Wednesday following the mixed cues from Wall Street overnight, with the Japanese market closed for a holiday. So what did Wall Street say overnight? Oh, Trump direct Pentagon to buy coal to revive the industry. That's pretty cool. Oil prices rise with U.S.-Iran tensions. That was yesterday. This was yesterday's news. Like yesterday evening. Right now, just for context, it's 2:30 a.m. So we're probably going to be looking for a bit of a bullish open here in the market. Most likely. Okay, we crossed this line. And we're going to go tighter to this resistance line here. $260 profit. We had $465 around here. And if it gets to our actual limit order, we'll take $600 profit. Silver's a lot tamer now that people aren't over leveraging. This would have moved this much in like 5 minutes. It was very aggressive.
Order filled.
Yeah, we got stopped. That's it. Let's cancel our orders. Make sure we don't have anything else. So we have 265 profit on the day. I am gonna go to bed. I have an early morning. We lost our bright light. There we go. I'm gonna go to bed early morning. Hope you guys had a good evening, and I will catch you guys most likely tomorrow evening. One more time. We're gonna do this every night. I trade every night. I will point this out though. So this, even though it was on a higher time frame, we also crossed that orange line. Starting there. We have a bit of a trend here now. So this is kind of the longer trend I'm going to look for on the 1 minute. And up here it matches perfectly. This is how this works. And then there'll all be a middle, this zone, this yellow line as well. Most likely right around here. So look for an initial bounce off here, and then when it crosses here, we'll probably hit a new line. Alright guys, good night. Take care. What do I do? What's this? Hey.